Hello, my name is Oscar with O&D General Contractors. Today is June 10, 2024, and I'm in District Heights about to do a repair attempt video for State Farm. Before I start with the repair attempt video, I'd like to do an overview of the damages on this roof. So this is the front slope right here. Let me take you down. Some of the damages right there, some creases right there, and a lot of missing shingles. Missing shingles, more missing shingles right there. And the repair attempt that we're gonna do is that right there. That's the repair attempt that we're gonna run. Okay, that's the shingle we're gonna replace. There's more missing shingles right here. Missing shingles right there. Creases. And in the back, let me take you in the back, around back. There's more creases, missing shingles. But right there, that's where a branch fall and create this damage right here. A branch from this tree came over here, fall over there, and made that hole on the overhanger. So to replace this plywood right here, we don't have to just replace that little piece right there. We probably have to replace a piece of plywood 4x8, and to replace a piece of plywood 4x8, we're gonna have to strip off about all this area right here. So probably about 100 square feet, which is a square shingle, just to replace a full sheet of plywood right there. So it's not just the little repair right there. It's a full piece of plywood that we're gonna have to replace in order to fix that right there. And of course, we're gonna have to strip not only 2 or 3 shingles, we're gonna have to strip more than that, way more than that. So that's a big issue right there, okay, to repair that right there where the branch fall. And what we're gonna do today with that hole, we're gonna cover it, okay? We're gonna use a tarp, and we're gonna cover that just to mitigate, more damages into the structure of the property. Now, the repair attempt that we're gonna do, we're still gonna run a repair attempt just to see how brittle this roof is. I got some help today, so I'm gonna have him help me record. So stay with me. I got my tools right there. That's the tarp that we're gonna install in the back. I already have it with me, and that's the shingle that we're gonna use for this. Okay. There's a shingle we're gonna replace. That we're gonna use in the replacement that we're gonna do right there. Those are my tools, my gloves, hammer, and a flat bar. you guys can see, shingle is really brittle. It's losing a lot of granule. The biggest problem that we have when we do this type of repairs is that we create more damage to the shingle above, right there. Shingle is really brittle. We try to keep it below 45 degrees, but still, we broke the seal and we create the damage right there. That being said, this shingle is not repairable, and to do all of that right there is not repairable at all. Now I'm gonna go ahead and run the installation of the tarp in the back where the branch fall, just to mitigate more damages into the structure of the house. And I'm gonna take pictures of that, and of course send that to the adjuster and having you know, evaluate the damages on this roof. Thank you.